Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn the line trick together, step by step. Here's a favorite that looks like a puzzle. You can multiply two numbers just by drawing lines and counting where they cross. For each digit, you draw that many parallel lines. The first number's lines slant one way, the second number's lines slant the other way. Then you count the crossings in groups from left to right. Let's do 21 times 13. Draw two lines, then one line for 21, then cross them with one line, then three lines for 13. Now count the crossings in three groups. The left group has two crossings, the middle has 7, and the right has 3. Read them in a row. 2, 7, 3. 273. Sometimes a group has 10 or more crossings. No problem. Just keep the ones digit and carry the rest to the group on its left, exactly like carrying when you add. Then read the row. The line trick shines when the digits are small, like 1, 2, 3, and 4, because there are only a few lines to count. With big digits, you'd be drawing a haystack, so save those for a different trick. A real mental math champion always picks the right tool for the job. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.